Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to everyone around the world. I wish you happiness, success, good health, and peace in your life. Thank you for joining this video today. I hope your day is going well, and I hope this message gives you new energy, confidence, and motivation. Before we begin, let us talk about something important. Watching videos like this is one of the best ways to improve your English naturally. When you listen to motivational content in English, you learn useful vocabulary, correct pronunciation, sentence structure, and natural expressions. You also train your ears to understand spoken English more clearly. At the same time, you learn powerful life lessons that can improve your mindset and daily habits. This means you are doing two valuable things at once. You are improving your English skills and you are improving your life. Day by day, your listening becomes stronger, your speaking becomes more confident, and your thinking becomes more positive. If you continue watching and practicing regularly, you will see great progress in the future. So relax. Listen carefully, repeat new words, and enjoy the journey of learning English through motivation. Discipline is stronger than motivation. Every person in life has dreams. One person wants to build a successful business. Another person wants a higher education. Someone wants a life free from debt. Another person wants a healthy body, a peaceful mind, and a happy family life. Dreams may be different, but the principles needed to achieve them are often the same. One of the most powerful principles is discipline. Many people want to change their lives, but they keep waiting for the right day. They say, I will start next week. I will begin next month. I will do it when I feel ready. I will start when I have more time. These words are common in many lives. But the truth is, the right day is often created by action. Life does not change by waiting. It changes by doing. Motivation is a temporary feeling of energy inside the mind. When you hear an inspiring speech, watch a success story, or imagine a beautiful future, you feel excited. In that moment, you believe you can do great things. But that feeling does not stay forever. It slowly fades away. Life problems, tiredness, fear, stress, and lack of time often pull motivation down. That is why motivation can be a good beginning, but it is not a reliable partner for the long journey. Depending only on motivation is a weak plan for success. Discipline is different. Discipline means doing what is right even when you do not feel like doing it. It means choosing long-term results over short-term comfort. It means accepting today's effort for tomorrow's freedom. Think about the moment you wake up in the morning. Your bed is warm and comfortable. You want to sleep a little longer. But if you get up and begin your day, that is discipline. You want to waste time on your phone, but instead you choose to read a book. That is discipline. You feel angry and want to react quickly, but you stay calm and think first. That is discipline. Discipline is not only seen in big life decisions. It is also seen in small daily choices. It appears in the food you eat, the money you spend, the time you use, the words you speak, and the habits you repeat. Many people want big results, but they do not want small changes. They want a healthy body, but they do not want daily exercise. They want wealth, but they do not want to stop careless spending. They want a successful career, but they do not want to keep learning every day. Success does not usually come from one huge opportunity. Most of the time, it comes from thousands of small correct choices made again and again. Imagine two people. The first person waits to do everything when I feel ready. The second person makes small progress every day. He reads daily. He works daily. He plans daily. He learns daily. After a few months, the difference may seem small, but after a few years, the gap between them becomes huge. That difference is not talent. It is not luck. It is the result of daily choices. Many people quit because they do not see quick results. They try for 1 week, see nothing, and stop. They save money for 1 month, see little change, and stop. They learn for a few days, feel no progress, and stop. But nature teaches a different lesson. When you plant a seed, you do not get a tree the next day. First, roots grow under the ground, then the trunk, then the branches, then the fruit. Growth in life works the same way. At first, progress is invisible, but it is happening. The small right actions you do today can create great results tomorrow. Reading 10 pages a day can help you finish many books in a year. Saving a little money each day can build wealth over time. Exercising for 20 minutes daily can transform your body. Learning something new each day can change your future income. Discipline gives freedom. Many people think discipline is a restriction, but the truth is the opposite. Financial discipline gives freedom from debt. Time discipline gives freedom from stress. Health discipline protects you from illness. Emotional discipline protects your relationships. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your self-confidence grows. You begin to feel, I do what I say. That feeling is powerful. Before the world believes in you, you must believe in yourself. Discipline builds that belief. You do not need a huge change today. Start with small changes. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Write a daily task list. Reduce unnecessary phone use. Learn for 20 minutes each day. Save a little money each week. Move your body. Finish what you start. These things may look small, but they become habits that can change your life. Remember this. Motivation helps you start. Discipline helps you finish. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a decision. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays with you. So from today, do not ask, do I feel like it? Ask, what must I do today? Then do it. Do it when you're tired. Do it when you are afraid. Do it when nobody is watching. One day you will look back and realize that your life was changed not by luck, not by talent, and not by one moment of excitement, but by the small disciplined choices you made every day. And on that day, you will understand this truth. Motivation is temporary, but discipline is the permanent power that builds a great life.